Hi, this is Jack with Douglas Feeders, and today we're going to do a complete step-by-step on how to install our single lower unit auger dispensing system to your existing barrel, drum, or another feeder you have out in the field. We're going to do our single lower unit as well as our double lower unit. When you get our lower units in, they're going to come completely assembled. Of course, we have the screws out of this one, but it's going to have everything you need to get started. It's going to be completely assembled. Motor's installed, timer's going to come in your battery box. Now these use a 12-volt battery system, 7.5 AH battery. So the first thing you're going to do when you take it out of the box is you're going to remove the 6 screws that we have that hold the cover on. You got 2 on each side, 2 on the back side, and 2 on the top. Next thing you're going to do, once you remove your cover, you're going to want to find the center of your drum. Mark a hole in the center of your drum, and you're going to need to cut out a 3-inch opening with a hole saw, some type of cutter, or a torch. Here we use a 3-inch hole saw and a drill. Okay. Once you have your 3-inch opening in your feeder, remove your cover. You'll place the 3-inch opening, the same here, directly over your hole. You're going to take 4 self-drilling screws, 5/16 head, so you'll need a bit to go along with that, 5/16 head. You're going to secure your feeder with the self-drilling screws in 4 places that have pre-drilled holes in them already. Once this is down, then you're going to take your cover, place it back on, and secure the cover with the screws that you took out to start with. Now, once you find the center of the hole, you can actually mount this 360 degrees, depending on what you want to be the front or the back of your barrel. We typically put the battery box facing the front and the tube to the rear. This is one of our product line 55-gallon drums. It's Rhino lined with the single lower unit. As you can see here, it's already installed, it's ready to go. Feed tube is in back. You're also going to get what we call a flapper, which attaches to your feed tube to help dispense feed a little more quiet. The tools you're going to need are going to be a Phillips head bit for your Phillips head screws on the cover itself, 5/16 bit to install your self drillers to mount it to the barrel itself, and then some type of tool, 3-inch hole saw, torch, or some type of cutter to drill your 3-inch hole in it. Once you have it secured, the next thing you're going to have to do is install the flap, which comes with 2 bolts, which are going to mount just like this. Now we like the flap to come out the front of the feeder from where your feeder tube is, so you get a nice flow of your product coming out. Now we also offer a dual feed unit that will mount the same way. The only difference in this one is our dual auger, which is going to spin flighting left and flighting right, which will dispense feed to both of your tubes. The hole in this one is going to be the center. Your auger system will be in here. Your feed drops down from this way and dispenses out. So you'll use the exact same hole pattern that you do on the single. So if you ever decide you want a little more feed coming out, you want a double unit, all you have to do is remove this one, secure this one, put your cover on, and you're ready to go. Now, these can be used on any 55-gallon drum, barrel, and a lot of the current feeders are on the market right now. But if you decide to take a smaller barrel, whereas the bottom is not as wide as our lower unit, you'll need a rain shield. The reason is, these are made to be mounted on a flat surface. So you'll see you'll have openings there that water can get in. So if you're mounting on a flat, an open surface, a cone bottom, semi-cone bottom, 30-gallon, or possibly a different feeder out there, you'll need to order a rain shield, which will be attached to this so you can cover and shield the water from getting into the lower unit. Now we offer this again in the single and the double. Currently right now we're running a special on these. The single's $200 plus shipping. The double, which will come with the battery box, everything you need, $250 plus shipping. We also have the line of the 55-gallon drum feeders. as well as our 17-gallon drum feeders, which are currently in process right now. So for more information, or you have questions about any of the things you see here, our Douglas Manna feeder, our 55-gallon drum feeder, 17-gallon feeder, or the lower units, check us out on Facebook, Douglas Feeders on Facebook, Instagram, we're Douglas.Feeders. Check us out on our webpage. We have products listed there for sale, douglasfeeders.com, or you can call me directly, 205-388-1797. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.